Hello to all my friends out there. And I have had this pork chop and rice recipe for 40 years. And what it is some of you who are older might remember this recipe. It was MGB rice and pork chops. But you know, as you make it over the years yourself, it evolves. So okay, I have to have pork chops. No choice. I bought 6 pounds of pork chops. Besides, I like pork chops. Okay, so what I want to make is some pork chops, but I also want to make some good gravy. Okay, so I dusted my pork chops with flour and pepper and seasoned salt. And I fried my pork chops on both sides. And so you wanna, if you're hungry, like me, I'm kind of hungry tonight, you wanna fry your pork chops almost done. Then you want to put some tomato sauce on top of your pork chops, a goodly amount, and it's going to make some really good drippings for the gravy. Some of you who are older will remember this recipe. This is a great recipe. I've been making this 40 years, probably came out 40 years ago. Okay, normally you would put fresh onions, but I'm not a big fan of chomping into onions. So I just want to put some dry onion on top. And I want to put some in the drippings too, you know, to flavor up. This is going to make some good gravy. And then, you know, I bought some red peppers, so this is as easy as it is. And I bought this milk at Dollar Tree. And why that's important is because I will make some milk gravy when I come back. Okay, so you know, you're hungry, you're going, well, I can't wait. This is one of the things that can lead to, you could just cover it and finish this, but I bake it. Okay, so I have some Dollar Tree cheese and a little bit of lunch meat. And so I have some crackers and cheese. These will be some good little sandwiches. And then I have some chai tea to go with my sandwiches so I won't starve out before dinner. 3/4 tea, and I like sugar and a little sugar, and then 1/4 milk. So I used to work until 8 o'clock every night, and this was super irritating. People were always trying to think of something for me to do after work, like give people who didn't have a car a ride home when they worked the same job and made the same money I did. Although it was pretty, you know, I would work from 8 until 8. So, okay, you're hungry, you have a few crackers, and let me give you a close-up. This is really easy, and I will be back with my pork chops and sweet potatoes with gravy. Okay, God bless you all.